Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Pick a quiet spot and mount your phone on a tripod or steady stack. Once mounted, open the camera and set 16:9 framing so your slides or face fill the frame. Lock exposure and focus to avoid shifts. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on and close unused apps to preserve battery and CPU. Start a short test clip to confirm audio and framing. If levels are low, move the microphone closer or lower background noise before recording the full lesson. Now improve clarity. Attach a lavalier or USB mic for consistent sound because viewers tolerate poor audio far less than imperfect video. Position lights slightly above and in front of you or face a window to avoid harsh shadows. Check that your head fits with comfortable headroom. Record in 5-10-minute segments so mistakes are isolated and editing is faster. Once done with a segment, glance at waveform or on-screen meter. Re-record any section with clipping or background noise. Finish by assembling clips. Import segments into a mobile editor, trim pauses, add slide overlays and simple titles to guide learners, and normalize audio so levels are even. Export at 1080ph. 264:16:9 to balance quality and upload speed. Aim for under 1 GB for easy sharing. If your audio contains noise, replace it with the lavalier track or record a voiceover. If a clip has bad framing or glare, reshoot only that clip. If uploads fail, reduce bitrate slightly and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.